peaceful, restful seclusion. Completely renovated 1.5 story in an exceptional location on 2 titled lots with space galore for backyard play and a triple car garage. The effective year built is 2011 with substantial renovations were done to the interior including kitchen, bath, flooring, plumbing, electrical, roof, windows, HWT and in-law suite. The front entrance opens to a large living room warmed by a wood-burning stove. The great room concept offers a new kitchen with a peninsula island and large dining area. The master suite is connected to a flex room that can easily be converted to a walk-in closet, ensuite bath or computer room. The upper level offers a bonus room and second bedroom. The bsmt is fully developed with an in-law suite including a third bedroom, separate laundry,